Hey everybody, Happy New Year.
2023, Happy New Year. So in this video, we are going to keep this video fairly short and very practical. We're going to talk about how to use the website to go on New Jersey Outdoor to make your reservations for the state campgrounds. It's January, now is the time to do this because they fill up quickly. So check this video out. So I go on to New Jersey Outdoors, and then I want to click here for Find a New Jersey Campground. So you're going to need to create an account first. It's simple. You just plug in your name, email, address, phone number, things like that. And that'll allow you to make a reservation. I already have one, so I'm just going to skip that. So when I see this map on the right with all the pins in it, that's all the state campgrounds in New Jersey. The left-hand side has all these attributes. So if I want something near an amusement park, with a theater, there's so many things, options. So if you click on any of these arrows, it'll give you options. Maybe you want one near, I don't know, a beach, near swimming. So you click whatever the criteria is that you want for the campground. And when you do a search, then it will bring back all the campgrounds that meet that criteria. Now, if you click on one of the pins on the right, it'll actually bring up the campground. It'll bring up the address. And there's a little button right there that says make reservation. So you can just click right there. Yeah, so now it wants you to select the campground and then make a reservation. That's the other way you can go into it. So on the right-hand side will be the map of the campground. And on the left-hand side will be text boxes with the accommodations. You can click on there what you want. Like if you want electric, that'll only bring up certain sites. If they have it, if they don't have it, obviously it will bring up none. So based on your criteria in the right-hand side, it will come up what sites are available. And then you're also going to put in a date range over on the left and the number of days that you're staying there. It's going to ask you the number of people going, the number of vehicles, and your trailer length. And then it'll show you if these dates are taken already or blocked out. Like I said, it's January now. I'm starting to book already for this year, even all the way out into the summer, because these state spots go very quickly, especially the primo ones like Lakefront. You need to book these sites early. Every site you go into, every campground, it'll tell you if it has electric, if it has a playground, if it has water hookups. I mean, for $20 a night or basically something like that, most of the time you're probably going to realize that it doesn't have electric and it may have a water pump, but you don't have a direct hookup to water or sewer. So make sure if you have a generator, you're allowed to take that. So that's what we do. We take water and we take our generator. And we have a portable potty. So, you know, basically we can camp anywhere. And it's going to ask you for your payment information and everything. And they'll send you an email confirmation. And that's pretty simple. Now, another thing I would make sure you do, and I printed them all out, the reservations, and put them in a book. And that book was in the van, so that when we went, we had those. So here, what you're seeing is if you pick a site, they do have some pictures of the campground, or sometimes it's the actual site. That's the playground right there. Anyway, that is how you go on to New Jersey Outdoors to reserve a campsite at one of the state parks. So there's not like you can't just walk up and do this. And I believe all states now are similar. They have reservations, but it's pretty simple to do.
Are you an avid camper? Do you love keeping track of your adventures and memories from the great outdoors? Well, we have just the thing for you, a campground logbook. Our logbook is the perfect companion for any trip. Quickly and easily check off the amenities that a campground offers and recall your favorite site numbers. There is room to track 50 campgrounds. In addition, you'll find plenty of blank space to record your thoughts, sketches, and photos from your travels. So if you want to capture the memories of your adventures and keep them close at hand, pick up a campground logbook today. You won't be disappointed. These campground logbooks are available through Amazon, and the link is on the description.
While I was doing this video, I booked 2 campgrounds, one in April and one in May. And then hopefully we'll take our big trip is going to be out west, hopefully in the fall, and we're still working on that.
And we We'll probably book a couple more here shortly. You might want to even get a local trip in here in Jersey this month. We're talking about going up to Harrisburg, PA for the outdoor show up there, which is February the 4th to the 12th. And I've been checking into what campgrounds are open up there so that we can maybe stay up there for overnight, maybe even 2 nights. Because that outdoor show is a big show.
So hopefully we'll have footage of that. We hope to have a lot more camping. We'll continue to do our bike riding, all of our outdoor adventures, whether we go to a gun range.
Oh, we're definitely going to a gun range.
I'd like to get some more fishing in, and some videos of us fishing.
There you go.
So, all right, everyone. Thank you for watching.